everyone, welcome back to Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. This is day 17. Time is flying, isn't it? Oh my goodness, I'm not even ready. I'm not even ready for Christmas, but that's not an issue that we need to worry about right now. Thank you for joining me. My name is Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance, and I'm so glad you're here. Okay, so let's talk about yesterday's item. We got the thread cutter contraption. It was a blade saver, meaning that you use your old blades and you put them into this contraption. I know there was some question about that. So when you're done using your rotary blades, when they're worn out, you use this. So it helps them stay out of the landfill a little bit longer, which is great. They're sharp enough that they can still cut threads. It's just a really wonderful contraption to have, especially for chain piecing when you're cutting those pieces apart. So I'm valuing that at $20. I was surprised at the range. It runs anywhere from $16 to $24, so I'm meeting it right in the middle at $20, which I still can't believe that we're getting such amazing items this year. That brings our grand total to $219, I believe. Yes, $219, which is $39 over what I paid for this box. Can you believe that? That's crazy. Such a great value for this box. Such wonderful gifts. I'm so happy with it. So much better than last year too. All right, quilt mess real quick. Tonight is the last night you can register. Tonight at midnight it all closes down. So make sure you go out to everyone's page, get their form, register for whatever quilts you want, all of them, any of them, whatever. Get them in. Make sure you have all the keywords. Make sure you're ready to go. Go and get those filled out so you can possibly win one of these amazing quilts. All right, so let's look at day 17. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. All right. This sticker happens to be on there really well. Okay. Okay, this is what I'm seeing so far. Can you see it? It is, in fact, a mug. Oh, it's adorable. Okay, this is adorable. Adorable. It says, "You are so amazing." Oh my goodness. And look at the other side. This is a beautiful mug. And it has the branding on the bottom. It has the Missouri Star, but it's not over in your face. This is the Missouri Star mug type of thing. I love this item. It's a beautiful, heavy mug. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. All right, very happy with that item too. Holy cow. I don't want it to break. Hang on, let me put this back in real quick. Okay, and we'll set that. There we go. Okay, wow. What a great item. So let's take a guess at tomorrow's. I'm taking a guess at tomorrow's. Fair warning. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Here it is. All right. Okay. There's a little lump there. It's squishy over here. Bendy. It's really squishy over here. I have no idea what this is. Huh, I have no idea. But we will find out together tomorrow for the opening of day, 18? Totally messed up where I'm at, what I'm doing. Wrapping paper everywhere, the whole thing. I'll see you tomorrow for day 18, and we'll see what's in this wonderful little package. I hope you have a great day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you soon. Bye.